did this occur?
The individual was working by themselves, doing tree trimming and feeding a wood chipper, and my understanding is he was caught in the wood chipper. But the investigation, as I said, is still ongoing.
Was it his clothes that was caught in there? Is there any details on that?
We don't have those details at this time.
Was he pulled in head first?
I believe he was, yes.
Okay, and then how did someone realize something had gone wrong? Who first noticed that?
Other members of the crew saw it happening, is my understanding, and immediately began responding, as did our staff and officers.